let's get a quick record.
More. One or two more.
Charging is complete. The test will commence in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Today, the Institute is releasing new ratings from our updated side crash tests for 7 midsize cars. Of the 7 vehicles we tested, only 1 received a good rating. 2 received an acceptable rating, 1 received a marginal rating, and 3 received a poor rating. The new side test is conducted with a 4,200-pound movable barrier striking the driver's side of a vehicle at 37 miles per hour. This generates 82% more energy than our original test. We evaluate how well the vehicle holds up in terms of preventing intrusion into the occupant compartment, and we assess the injury likelihood from the 2 female dummies that are positioned in the driver's seat and the rear passenger seat. Vehicles that sit lower to the ground, such as a sedan, are at a disadvantage in this particular test, as the barrier strikes higher on the door. However, it is important to recognize that the test was designed to reflect real-world crashes, where an SUV or a pickup truck with a taller front end may strike another vehicle. The Subaru Outback was the only vehicle to receive a good rating. The Hyundai Sonata and the Volkswagen Jetta received acceptable ratings. The Subaru Outback was the best performing vehicle in this particular round of tests. The vehicle had very little intrusion into the occupant compartment, as the structure of the vehicle held up reasonably well. The head and neck of both the driver and the rear passenger were also well protected by the airbags. The 3 popular vehicles receiving poor ratings were the Toyota Camry, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Malibu. The Chevrolet Malibu experienced significant intrusion into the occupant compartment. As you can see here, the structure of the vehicle simply did not hold up very well. The side curtain airbag also only provided marginal protection from possible head injury for both the driver and the rear passenger. We expect automakers to respond to our updated side test, providing increased protection for occupants and producing safer vehicles for consumers.